Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shoshana and you're watching Shoshanse the channel. Alright guys, for this video we will be talking about all about my hair. Yes, how do I get it curly and soft and detangled? Well, I'm here to tell you. That's right guys, I am very excited to be sharing my routine, my techniques that I do on my hair. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so that you get notified whenever I post. So if you're interested in wanting to get your hair just like mine, curly and soft and detangled, then keep on watching this video. I will be recording different days of what I do to my hair, different techniques. So for this day, it's day one of my hair care routine, and I will show you what I did today. So what I did today was I deep conditioned my hair. It needed it badly because sometimes I just get really lazy and I don't feel like taking care of my hair. So you know, it's always good to just deep condition, get it all moisturized, just get it really nice and supple. That's what your girl needs. And for that, you first need a shampoo, because if you don't shampoo, then you're just gonna put too much product in your hair and it's just gonna weigh it down and it's just not gonna be cute. So I will show you one of the products that I've been using. And it's this shampoo. It's by Vanissa. I don't know if this is something that you guys use, but I've been using it. I got it at Big Lots. It's really convenient and it was really affordable. It's like as cheap as $5, I think. Don't quote me on that, but it's pretty cheap. And it's the cleansing shampoo. It's with tea tree oil, which I thought it would, you know, it would smell like tea tree, but it actually doesn't. It smells like, I don't know, it just smells like silk. Like if silk had a scent, that's what it would smell like. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like, it just feels really nice in your hair. It doesn't feel like tea tree oil at all. I mean, that's one of the ingredients, but honestly, I thought it had argan oil in it. They do have an argan oil shampoo as well, but I just really like the smell of this. So if you want, you can get both, and you can see which one you like the best. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon, and I'll post down below on the link. And if you can get it through my link, that would be really appreciative. Because alright guys, so this one, all you do with the shampoo is you just, you know, get in there, rub it in your scalp, and then, you know, okay, this is what I tend to do. So I'm gonna put my hair down. It's all nice and conditioned. So what I do is I'll just put it all over my scalp. I'll just massage it, and then what I like to do is I'll massage like my temples, and then I'll massage like behind my neck, like right here, like right in this area, and I just get in. Like I just love to just mess around. I don't really pay attention so much to like this part, like my hair follicles so much, just because I don't know, I just feel like I just need to clean that scalp like really good. So it does say it is a cleansing shampoo, but I don't feel like it cleanses so much. Like I know that's what it says it does, but it just feels nice. So if you're looking for something more cleansing, then I would opt for something else. But it definitely does not strip your hair. That's what I love so much about it. Like it makes your hair smell so good, but also it does not strip your hair at all. Once I rinse everything off, I will go in with this bad boy right here. It is the Manuka honey and Mafua oil intensive hydration hair mask. That's right, guys, right over here. So this is from Shea Moisture. I love Shea Moisture. I got introduced by it by my older half sister from England. Like, it's kind of amazing, the whole story about my obsession with Shea Moisture. I love it. So they always have my back because they have such great products. Like, this is just only like one of their products that I like. I've used so many of their different products over the years, but I just always fall back to this one because it smells divine. So what I do with this is I won't take like huge clumps, but I'll literally just use a little bit and like kind of section my hair in the shower. So okay, so for this section I'll do this. It's called like a praying motion, I don't know. So you just do this like all around, and it's supposed to just condition all the roots and the parts of your hair, and it just feels really nice. So do it on this side too. Just grab some more, because I don't really like to waste product. Like, who wants to spend more money on products when you can just use it for a while and, you know, get a new one when you're all done. So I keep it in my hair. Mind you, they say to have it in your hair for like 30 minutes, but your girl doesn't have time like that. I don't want to keep it in my hair for that long, and I just want to get my shower over and done with. Like, I'm in the shower for a long time anyways, and I'm not trying at all to, you know, to spend more time in the shower, just because, you know, if you're in the shower for too long, you feel itchy, and that's not good. So how I detangle my hair, I will show you this product. I know y'all are gonna laugh, but I use like the kids detangling. I use the kids detangling silly apple spray. I don't know, whenever I see like Sauve kids, I'm like, okay, I need this, and it honestly lasts like forever. I don't even know, like, I think one of my bottles maybe lasted a year or two. Like, that's how long it was. So what I do is, after I put in all the deep conditioner, mind you, I don't put in any regular conditioner, just because the deep conditioner really does wonders for my hair. Like, I don't need to do anything like at all. So anyways, I kind of just spray inside my hair. I don't really spray outside, because inside is, you know, where the tangles are. So with that, I use like a wide tooth comb. You can literally get this anywhere. I'll probably put a link down below to all my things. If I could find it on Amazon, I'm sure I could find this on Amazon. But okay, so what you do with a comb, you gotta start from the bottom and work your way up. You can never start on the top, because if you start on the top, you're just ripping your hair, and you do not want that. You do not want your hair ripped or anything. You want it nice and gentle. When you're combing, it's giving you more time for the deep conditioner to really seep in. That's that. So once you're done combing your hair, and you know, you feel your hair is just so nice and glamorous, you're gonna squeeze it out. All right, I know you don't want all that luscious deep conditioner out of your hair just yet, but this is what you gotta do. So you know, I think Yeah, I think the deep conditioner is still in. So anyways, what I do is I'll grab my hair and I will twist my hair like this. I'll just twist, 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 twist. And then I'll just squeeze out the water. I tend to do this like maybe 3 to 4 times, just to get as much water as I can. And then what I do is I pour like, you know, warm to cold water on my hair just to kind of let it set. You can try putting cold water on it before, do the squeezing process after. I think I've tried that, but I don't know, it just, whatever works. Like, honestly, I like my hair how it is right now. I either put cold water on it before or after. It might make a difference on what you want to do, but I guess in the moment I just wanted to do it that way, which is totally fine. And even with regular conditioner, I've done this squeezing method, and I squeezed out like a good amount of water out of my hair, and when I got out of the shower, I didn't even need to dry my hair, nothing. Like it just stayed so nice, kind of like this, like all day. And I was like, how am I gonna do that again? I don't know. So for the last part of what I did to my hair today was, where is it? You know, 1 second, I'm coming back, okay? So, if you're new to the hair game, you know you gotta have this clip. It doesn't have to be this color, but it definitely has to be a nice long clip like this. So when you're done with the shower, you can air dry it if you want, but I personally like to just do it how I did it before. Just roll it up and just put it like that. When you're doing your skincare routine or your makeup routine, it's all off your face. You don't need your hair bothering you. When you want to take it out, it's already done. You don't need to do anything like that. Like look at the curls and everything. I didn't have to use any gel. The gel that I use now, it's honestly for kids because, like I said, I want nice, soft curls. I don't want any crunchy. We don't want no crunch here, okay? No crunch whatsoever. The kids' gel, it's just kind of more soft than regular gel, and it's less harmful on your hair because when I tried to do the go and wash type thing and I was using gel every day, it just really built up my hair and it was a mess to get it all out. Like, I swear. So that's why I switched to kids gel. I know I'm using the kids detangler, and now I'm using the kids hair gel, but honestly it's like the best because if you want your hair nice and long and healthy, you need to treat it with good care. You can't just put all these harsh chemicals and all these damaging products on your hair. You just need to be simple and just, you know, relax with your hair. So I don't think that was a lot of products I used on my hair today. I think it'll be good for maybe a couple days. By the way, this is at night that I'm doing it, so sometimes I like to deep condition once or twice a week, and it's usually at night. I don't know, I just like to treat my hair at night because it just feels luxurious and like I'm pampering myself, you know? You want to have that feeling. Even though we're in quarantine, it doesn't matter. You still have to feel good about yourself, because when this is all over, you'll be prepared and you'll be confident in yourself, and you'll be like, wow, I can't believe what Shoshana has taught me. You know, I have some new skills up my sleeve. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video if you want more videos like this. I would be so happy to do more videos. Okay guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye guys.